violent rainstorm in Brazil turned ordinary streets into raging rivers within minutes, creating a shocking urban flood disaster. Heavy rainfall overwhelmed drainage systems, causing flash floods that swept through neighborhoods. Vehicles were quickly submerged, and homes were flooded almost instantly, leaving residents in panic. Brazil's extreme weather events like this highlight the growing risks of climate change, urban flooding, and infrastructure vulnerability in major cities. As the storm intensified, entire avenues disappeared under murky water.
Segura, segura! Eita porra! Nossa! Nossa! Devolve o dinheiro! Devolve o dinheiro!
Vai lá pra dentro, fia! Meu Deus, gente! Eu nunca vi isso na minha vida! Peraí, fia!
Trapping cars and forcing people to seek higher ground. Emergency services struggled to respond as flooded streets blocked access. Brazil flood damage spread rapidly, with businesses destroyed and families losing essential belongings. The sudden nature of this Brazil rainstorm made it difficult for authorities to issue timely warnings, increasing the scale of material losses. Eyewitnesses described terrifying scenes of water rising at an alarming speed, carrying debris and disabling vehicles. Brazil natural disaster footage shows the power of flash floods and their devastating impact on urban life. Social media videos captured submerged cars, collapsing structures, and residents wading through chest-deep water.
Não tava conseguindo subir, ó. É. Não, ele não tava conseguindo parar, não, ó.
Tava não.
Ele se afogou lá.
É. Ele se afogou. Tem como não.
Pessoal aí, ó, quer ver o status, por favor, ajuda a gente aqui, pessoal. Ah, a casa do pessoal tá tudo perdendo as coisas, gente. Olha, gente, não tem condição disso daqui, pessoal. Ajuda aqui, alguém aciona a Defesa Civil de Paraty, ó, condado. Ninguém tá aguentando mais, ninguém consegue sair de casa, ó.
Olha isso, o rio tá passando a mureta já.
Ele tá subindo rápido demais. Se continuar assim, vai entrar nas casas.
A água tá trazendo tudo até Galho Grande.
Ele tá tentando sair daqui, isso ainda vai piorar. Mas...
Emphasizing the severity of the Brazil flooding crisis. This disaster raises urgent concerns about climate resilience, drainage systems, and disaster preparedness in Brazil. Experts warn that extreme rainfall events are becoming more frequent, making flood prevention strategies critical. Investing in infrastructure, early warning systems, and urban planning is essential to reduce future Brazil flood risks and protect communities from similar catastrophic storms. Please share this video with your friends, but please support us with a like and subscribe to the channel to receive all our new content. Thanks for watching.
Natal.